Are you looking for the best wood carving tools for beginners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood carving tools for beginners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Dremel Cordless Wood Carving Tool. The Dremel 8220 is a versatile and powerful rotary tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. The 12V lithium-ion battery provides maximum performance and runtime, and the quick accessory changes make it easy to switch between tasks. The slim and ergonomic body is comfortable to hold and maneuver, and the accessory and attachment compatibility make it a versatile tool for any project. The 2-year warranty and USA-based customer service are an added bonus. We highly recommend the Dremel 8220 for anyone looking for a versatile and powerful rotary tool. At number 2, AUSUN Wood Carving Set. Wood carving knives are a great way to get into wood carving. They are made of quality carbon steel and have an electrolytic coating that makes them strong and sturdy. The 20 PCS set is a great way to get started with wood carving. It includes 12 different gouges, a whetstone, a storage case, a carpenter pencil, a wooden ruler, 2 sandpaper, and 2 wipe cloths. The ergonomically designed wooden handles are comfortable to grip and allow you to handle long projects easily. The wide use of these knives makes them perfect for woodworking, carving, sculpting, modeling, cutting, graining, and scraping. At number 3, Schaaf Wood Carving Tool. Are you looking for a wood chisel set that has everything you need to get started on your next carving project? Look no further than the Schaaf Tools 12-piece wood chisel set. This wood chisel set features 12 versatile profiles that are perfect for relief carvings, wood spirits, house signs, caricature figures, bowls, and spoons. Each tool is made from high-quality alloy chromium vanadium steel and is hardened to Rockwell C60, so you can be sure that the blades will hold an edge for a long time. The European-style octagonal ash wooden handles are also designed to prevent the tools from rolling off your workspace. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your next carving project today with the Schaaf Tools 12-piece wood chisel set. At number 4, Lulu Home Wood Carving Tools. Do you want to take your wood carving to the next level? If so, you need a professional quality carving set like the Lulu Home Wood Carving Tools set. This set includes all of the basic forming tools you need to get started, including long shaft tools, short palm wood knives, files, a grindstone, and a mallet. The Lulu Home Wood Carving Tools set is perfect for small woodworking projects, like surface detailing and removing small bits. The tools are sharp and durable, and the grindstone that comes with the set is helpful for sharpening. The handle of the chisel is designed according to ergonomic principles for better handling. The black canvas tool bag is used for tool storage and organization. The bag also helps to protect users from being hurt by the sharp tools when carrying. The Lulu Home Wood Carving Tools set is easy to use, especially for people new to wood carving. If you want to develop your skill in woodworking, take a chance with the Lulu Home Professional Carving Tools set. This is the perfect set for anyone just starting out in wood carving. At number 5, Wacom Wood Carving Tools. Are you looking for a new hobby that is both creative and relaxing? If so, wood carving may be the perfect activity for you. Wood carving is a centuries-old art form that can be both enjoyable and rewarding. Whether you are carving a simple piece of furniture or a more intricate sculpture, the process can be very therapeutic. There are a few things you will need to get started, including a good quality carving knife, a sharpening stone, and some practice wood. Once you have your supplies, you can begin practicing your carving techniques. One of the great things about wood carving is that it can be done anywhere. Whether you are in your backyard or at the park, you can find a quiet spot to carve. If you are looking for a lifetime of good times and enjoyment, wood carving is the hobby for you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.